Here's how to use the Grok AI Image Generator. So first, you need to go ahead, open your browser, then search for Grok AI Image Generator, or you can directly go to grok.com, which is grok.com. Then you need to sign up or sign into your account. If you do not have an account yet, go ahead, tap on sign up and create a new account. And once you're signed in or logged in, you need to go ahead and find the image generator or create images tab. Tap on this Grok icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then select create image option. Then you need to go ahead and type in your prompt. You can describe the image you want to create, or you can choose your desired aspect ratio, resolution, and style, like photorealistic, cartoon, or 3D render, and you can also use Grok's style presets for popular aesthetics. You can click on this icon over here to set your aspect ratio, your video, and image. Then tap on this arrow icon to generate your prompt, and Grok AI will display a preview of your image as well. Click on any image to upscale or refine it further. Once you're happy with the image, you can click on download or make a video about it or create a share link. You can also use the built-in editor to adjust the lighting, color, or add overlays. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.